Hello students, today we will solve question number 8, worksheet 5, chapter 4. Question 8, if a equal 3 upon 5 whole raised to power minus 2 divided by 7 upon 5 raised to power 0, find the value of a raised to power minus 3. Here students, first of all we will solve this. Okay. Now here a is equal to 3 upon 5 whole raised to power minus 2 divided by 7 upon 5 raised to power 0. Students, here 7 upon 5 has power 0. इसकी power 0 है. It means this whole value will become 1. 3 upon 5 whole raised to power 2 divided by 1. जब किसी नंबर को 1 से डिवाइड किया जाता है तो वो नंबर खुद आता है. मीन्स रिमेनिंग भी क्या रह गया 3 अपॉन 5 होल रेज टू पावर माइनस 2. दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ ए. वी हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ ए पावर माइनस 3. ओके, ए पावर माइनस 3. ओके, 3 अपॉन 5 रेज टू पावर माइनस 2 and its whole power is minus 3. Here this is the power of power. So 3 upon 5 whole raised to power minus 2 multiplied by minus 3. It becomes 6, right? So value of a power minus 3 is equal to 3 upon 5 raised to power 6. Students, you can open it also. 3 into 3. This number is repeated here 6 times. Okay, we will repeat this number here 6 times. Clear? When you will multiply, you will get 729 and this will be 15,625. Question number 9. Simplify this. Okay, students, now we will solve it. Here is power of power. We will multiply it. 2 3s are 6. Now this become 2 upon 3 whole raised to power 6. Its power is negative. So we will write its reciprocal 3 upon 2 raised to power 4. This is also negative 3 raised to power minus 1. We will write it 1 upon 3 multiply 6. Students, now we will open this. Okay, 2 upon 3 we will write it 6 times. Students, we can solve it directly also. 3 to the 6, 2 upon 3 raised to power 6, 2 upon 3 raised to power minus 4. Bases are same, sign of multiplication, powers will be added. 6 minus 4 is 2. Remaining होता हमारा क्या होता 2, right? And you can solve it like this also. इसको ऐसे भी solve किया जा सकता है और उस तरीके से भी इसको solve किया जा सकता है. Look here, 1 4 times 2. Okay, 4 times 2, 4 times 3. Clear? Now remaining are ऊपर आपका ये रह गया, नीचे हमारा क्या बच गया 3 into 3 into 3 into 6. 2 2 जा 4, 162. Hello students, question 10. Find the reciprocals of 1 by 2 whole raised to power minus 2 divided by 2 upon 3 whole raised to power minus 3. Students, here first of all we will solve it and we will find the single number. After that we will find their reciprocal. Now this is negative power, convert in positive, 2 upon 1 raised to power 2, divide, change it also, 3 upon 2 whole raised to power 3. Here students, sign of division, so we will write its reciprocal, 2 upon 1 whole raised to power 2 multiply 2 upon 3 whole raised to power 3. Okay, now we will solve it. 2 upon 1 into 2 upon 1, right? 2 upon 3 is 3 times, 2 upon 3 into 2 upon 3 into 2 upon 3, multiply to 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32, this is 27. Now reciprocal of this, reciprocal of 32 upon 27 is 27 upon 32. Second part, 2 upon 5 raised to power 3 into 5 upon 4 whole raised to power 2. Students, here bases are not same. बेसिस सेम नहीं है, इसलिए हमें इनको ओपन करके सॉल्व करना होगा. 2 upon 5 is 3 times, this is 3 times 2 upon 5. 5 upon 4 is 2 times, 5 upon 4 into 5 upon 4, 5 1 जा 5 1 जा 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4, right? So remaining is 2, 5 4 जा 20, we can cancel it also, 10. So our answer is 1 upon 2. Now reciprocal of 1 upon 10 is 10 upon 1. It means answer is 10. Question number 11. Express the following as a rational number with positive exponent. Part 1. Positive exponent means its power must be positive. Now in first part, 3 upon 2 whole raised to power minus 4. This is negative. We will convert into positive. So we will write the reciprocal of the base. हम बेस का क्या राइट करेंगे? रेसिप्रोकल. नाउ इन सेकेंड पार्ट, 3 power minus 3 power 2. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल मल्टीप्लाई दिस. दिस इज 3 raised to power minus 6. दिस आर आस्किंग अबाउट पॉजिटिव एक्सपोनेंट. पॉजिटिव पावर के लिए पूछ रहे हैं. सो वी विल राइट इट्स रेसिप्रोकल, 1 upon 3 whole raised to power 6. Now third part, 7 raised to power 2 into 7 power minus 3. Students, first of all we will solve it. 7 power 2 into 1 upon 7 power 3. Now we will solve it. 7 into 7 into 1 upon 7 into 7 into 7. Cancel it. We get 1 upon 7. Its power is already positive, right? In fourth part, look here, 5 upon 8. 8's power is minus 2. Whole power is 3. First of all, we will multiply this. Okay, 3 to the 6. 5 upon 8 raised to power minus 6. They are asking about positive exponent means positive power. Write its reciprocal, 8 upon 5 raised to power 6. Okay. In fifth part, 2 upon 5 whole raised to power minus 3 into 2 upon 5 whole raised to power 5. Right? Here bases are same. Sign of multiplications, powers will be added. 2 upon 5 whole raised to minus 3 plus 5. Different sign, so we will subtract. What we get? 2 upon 5 whole raised to power 2. Right? This is already positive. Now in sixth part, 8 power 3 divided by 8 power 5 multiply 8 raised to power minus 4. Right? First of all, we will solve the bracket. In bracket there is base is same, division sign. Powers will be subtracted. Right? 3 minus 5 into 8 power minus 4. 8 power, different sign subtract, bigger number sign is 2, negative 2, and 8 raised to power minus 4. Okay, base is same, powers will be added. Okay, now powers become minus 6, so power is negative, so we will write it like this. Now this is the solution. Question number 12. Express the following as a rational number with negative exponent. This is in positive. Convert in negative. 7 upon 5 whole raised to power minus 5 में 7 raised to power minus 5. Second, 3 upon 2 whole raised to power 9. 9 to the 18. 18 for negative, we will write the reciprocal of base. Now this is negative. In third part, 5 power 3 into 5 power 2, bases are same, sign of multiplication, powers will be added, right? It becomes 3 power 3 5 power 5. For negative exponent we will write its reciprocal 1 upon 5 raised to power 9, because in question they are saying कि पावर्स हमारी क्या होनी चाहिए, नेगेटिव होनी चाहिए, राइट. नाउ फोर्थ पार्ट, minus 8 upon 9 raised to power 3 whole power 2. First of all we multiply it. Minus 8 upon 9 raised to power 6. For negative, write reciprocal of base. Now fifth part, 5 upon 7 raised to power 3 divided by 5 upon 7 raised to power 2. Base is same, sign of division, powers will be subtracted. 5 upon 7 raised to power 3 minus 2. 5 upon 7 raised to power 1. But we have to change it in negative exponent. It becomes 7 upon 5 raised to power minus 1. Now in sixth part, last part, bracket. First of all we will solve the bracket. Sign of division, bases are same, powers will be subtracted. 2 raised to power 6 minus 5 into 2 raised to power 2 equal 2 raised to power 1 into 2 raised to power 2. Bases are same, powers will be added. 1 plus 2, 3. 2 raised to power 3. For negative, reciprocal of base.